If your light does not power on when connected to power and the bulb is good, check the power switch. To check and repair the power switch, begin by de-energizing the lamp. Unplug power or rotate the battery counterclockwise to remove. Next, locate the power switch and loosen the threaded ring holding the switch in place. Use the flathead to start, rotating counterclockwise until free. Remove the rubber switch cover and washer piece to reveal the red power switch underneath. Carefully lift the red power switch out and notice the wire connections to it. In this case, one wire is disconnected. Use a pair of needle nose pliers to grasp the wire inside the housing and attach to the open prong on the power switch. If the connection is loose, use the pliers to pinch the connector tight. Carefully route the switch back into the light. Replace the rubber switch cover and washer. Replace the threaded ring and tighten. Use a flathead to fully tighten down the ring. Energize lamp to test, and the lamp should now illuminate.